how to use TradingView and save money on pro plans. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use TradingView and how you can save money on pro plans. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now before I begin, I just want to say that there is a link in the description below, so make sure you check that out. You'll find some exclusive offers. You'll also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply when purchasing those pro plans and save money on them. It's actually pretty simple. And once you've signed up, you can come over here onto the super chart. This basically has everything you would need, all of the options, all of the trading options, and all of the other options as well, like stocks, funds, futures, forex, crypto, bonds, economy. All of them are available, and almost all company is available over here. Currently this is Apple, and here you can see we've got gold, we got Bitcoin, Tether, we've got the Nvidias, gold, and we've got Tesla, Euro, Invesco. We also have Apple, Meta, Amazon. All of the companies and all the big major cryptocurrencies are also available over here, so make sure you check those out. And this is how much it costs you when you are purchasing a pro plan. You can see right here there are 4 plans and they are quite expensive. That is why make sure you check the link in the description below so you can get those offers and save a bunch of money. Right, this is annually, and if you select monthly, you can see that the prices are quite high, so keep that in mind. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.